buying cheap plastic. Go natural. I still can't believe how well this handled the water hydrophobia test. Notice the bamboo. It has natural oils that repel water instantly. No swelling, no damage. Bioplastic uses elastic deformation. It bounces to absorb shock. Bamboo uses rigid structure to distort. Bioplastic is great for bounces, but bamboo is superior for water and structural defenses. Let's see if eco-friendly means water-friendly.
Overly dry. Which vibe do you prefer? Subscribe from Cute Tech.
Stop buying fake eco cases. Watch this. Bioplastic dates, bamboo dates to the bounce, but bamboo takes to pressure. Catch 'em at. Look at that scratch. The bamboo is basically bulletproof.
Bamboo wins the durability war. Which one would you trust? Immediate leap.